everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic with the Sakhir Orange and black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so you saw the headlight welcoming sequence, and we got the full low beam system on as part of that. And we're parked up. This car is sold, so I've just got a few minutes to share it with everyone here before it's time for delivery. So I just wanted to take a few moments and get that done because this is an awesome machine, and who knows how long we're gonna have any more new X5Ms to show off. So now that we've completed this lap all the way around the vehicle, let's take a closer look at all the details. This color is called Dravit Grey Metallic. In low light, like over here, definitely looks very gray, but as soon as the light hits it, you see the amber flake coming through. This color looks absolutely insane. And it really does show off the lines on the hood. You can see that there's 4 lines coming lengthwise down. BMW rondelle, up front, center. One-piece matte black kitting grille with those bold horizontal slats and the black X5M badge over here on the driver's side. Down at the bottom, you can see the radar puck. We've also got a more aggressive design here down at the bottom. Lots of functional air, and functional air going into the oil coolers, intercoolers, and wheel wells. So ultimately, front end looks super aggressive, and that double chevron design on the headlights also looks really sweet. Speaking of the headlights, let's take a closer look at the Shadowline BMW LED headlights with all the intricate patterns all over them, and even little triangles at the bottom to reflect the light off of. Very cool design, and has the effect I think that they're going for when other cars see this car. Looks awesome. Now we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch front, 22-inch rear star spoke 809M wheels in jet black burnish with that giant red M compound brake there. That setup looks sweet. There's your rear 22-inch, and we've got the X5M air breather on the fender. We also have the carbon fiber M wing mirrors on this baby. We also have the sunroof up top, black roof rails, and if I take a step back here, you'll see that this is the ultimate sports activity vehicle design. We have the previous gen door handles, which is awesome. Touch comfort access on the fronts. We also have the welcome light carpet illuminating down from the rocker panel. And you can see the windows were tinted, rear windows came polarized like this. We've got the Hofmeister kink. We have the new style antenna. We've got the spoiler up top. And you can see that we've got the X-shaped tail lights back here. So little triangle patterns, BMW is lit up on the side there. We've also got the vertical reflectors on the widest section at the bottom down here. X5M badging is in black, and rear wiper. We've got the rondelle here, rear view camera. We've got the big quad exhaust with the diffuser in the center, and the positioning of the exhaust is also even staggered and kind of like toe out kind of. Now we also have the key with us, so we'll do a swift kick underneath the middle here. Get this to open up the hands-free way. We have the cover here, hide your contents. There's a button here if you'd like to take it out. And we've got front plate bracket. We've got your carpeted mats. We also have 12-volt plug. We got the grocery bag hanger. We have another grocery bag hanger over here. And if I open this up, you'll see that we have a little storage space down here. Normally you'll find a tire inflator kit, but look at this one. We've got wheel lock key, tow hook, and we have the optional spare on this one. There's also a button here to raise or lower the lower tailgate, but we'll just leave it the way it is. Button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can definitely just kick our foot underneath the middle here. And we can get this to close the hands-free way. Now, on the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door. If I press this in the 9 o'clock position when the car is unlocked, you can see that we're looking for 93 octane, specifically from Shell V-Power. There's a little spot to put the cap while you refuel. Now, if I go ahead and open that rear door, you'll see the lovely Sakhir Orange color inside. We've got the manual sunshade here. We've got the nice stitching going across. We have the nice patterns here. Blue ambient lighting, carbon fiber interior trim, more stitching on the lower pocket down here, which is illuminated. We also have the illuminating aluminum M door sill, M tricolor seat belts, the lovely Sakhir Orange. We've got headrests that can flip up or down. You can also fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have armrests in the center with some storage space and some cup holders. And when you pull that down, you can find a string for the center pass-through as well. We've got the black Alcantara headliner. We have the Sky Lounge sunroof, which illuminates the ambient light color into the sunroof as well. On the back of each front seat, you'll see that we have an accessory port. So USB Type-C is inside of there, as well as a place to put the accessory. We've got some pockets. Winter mats are in with some illumination and more vent underneath the front seats. We have some vents on the back of the center console. We have heated seats. We have some storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and a 12-volt plug. So now that we've had a chance to look through here, let's get out of here and we'll open the front door next. And once I open this front door, you'll see that we have massage chair and memory for the passenger side, door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, carbon fiber, nice big deep door pockets. Again, the nice stitching going across. X5 M Competition, aluminum illuminating door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And these seats have the illuminating X5M on the headrest as well. And of course, tricolor seat belts, lovely stitching on the dash, carbon fiber trim, M interaction light bar, new style vents. We've got full merino down here, so we've also got the illuminated glove box, all the leather down here, stitching going across, knee pad on the side. We have the iDrive 8.5 with the M-specific display. Down here you have your wireless charger, 12-volt plug, heated and cooled cup holders, and your USB-A. We have your iDrive controller, M gear selector with the M on the top and the tricolor stitching, red push start button, and if I press this, we have the USB Type-C inside of there, and the armrests are heated individually as well. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. And if I'm not mistaken, we do have some soft closed doors here as well. If we approach from the driver door, open this up, you'll see that we have massage chair, gentleman's chair, button, open or close the tailgate. Windows were just tinted, but you have all 4 window controls, side mirror controls, door pull, unlock, lock. And down here, we also have some space for your water bottle. Another X5 M Competition illuminating aluminum door sill. Another look at those beautiful seats. Wow. And here we have your steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, your M1 config, M2 config buttons, carbon fiber paddle shift, head-up display, and up top you got SOS, sunroof controls, programmable memory buttons, and if I'm not mistaken, this car also has all the cruise control things and all the parking things. So you got digital key plus, you have self-parking, you've got everything in this vehicle that you could possibly want. So yeah, we've got all the self-parking, we got all the assisted driving plus, and that is awesome. Now down here there's a storage space, and even further down, here's your pedals. Here is the hood release, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when you get to the front, you won't have to find anything, you just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo, 617 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque. We also have the carbon fiber engine cover here, which looks amazing. All these strut bars going around for rigidity. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. What an absolute monster this thing is. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means I just got to bring this down about halfway and literally throw her down. Beauty. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do a few more longer range shots. It is in the corner of our delivery bay, so I'm trying my best to get some of these shots for you. The car does look absolutely incredible. It is a little bit overcast, so I can't bring it outside and show you the metallic flake, but we were able to see it at least in the example with the light reflecting off of it. And of course, this is the M car, so since we're back here, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. There's your remote engine start, cold start sound. And when the ignition's on, the lights actually show up on camera a little bit more accurately, which is nice. Love that V8 grumble. And now that we're at the front, 1, 2, 3 again. This car doesn't have any active grille shutters, it's always wide open. So how did you like that remote engine start, cold start sound? And what do you think of this spec X5 M Competition? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Dravit Grey Metallic with Sakhir Orange interior. I think this spec is nuts. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.